everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Online Lobby. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how to create a good quality thumbnail for your YouTube videos. Now before starting with this video, we need to understand what are thumbnails. Now, thumbnails are a pictorial representation for your videos, which will represent your videos in the search result of YouTube. Now this is my YouTube channel and I have recently uploaded few videos and used customized thumbnail for my videos. We will be using two applications to create our thumbnail. Now go to Google Play Store and type PicsArt. This is the application I have already installed on my mobile phone. You can install it from here. Now with the help of this app, we will be creating a transparent PNG image which we will use in our thumbnail. So guys, we are in PicsArt app. Now this is the image I have selected and I will remove the background from this image. I will use the cutout option from the right toolbar. You can see this option is here. I will select the cutout option and click on outline here. Now I will just zoom in and smoothly select the areas which I need to crop. See, this is super easy app to remove the background perfectly from any image you want. It looks pretty good. Now let's see the result. Let's see the preview. Okay, now from here also you can add, restore and erase some parts from the original image. Now I want to add this part and let's say this part and erase this part. Okay, it's look good and just save the image, save to my stickers. Okay, so to create a thumbnail we will use a second app which is Pixlab. Just open the app. I have already installed this app on my mobile phone. You can download it from here. So guys, we are in Pixlab app and we will create our thumbnail here. Now this is the main page where we will customize our thumbnail. As you can see in the right bottom, there are four options. We will use this option to customize and edit our thumbnail. First, let's set the size of the image according to our thumbnail size. We'll use this three dot icon. Click on it. We'll use image size to set the image. Now here you can see a drop down menu. Click on this and we will select a thumbnail option from this drop down menu. Here it is. Now the size is 1280 and height of that image will be 720. This is the perfect size for thumbnail. Now we will be changing the background for our thumbnail. We will use this option to change the background. Now you can change the color of the background with the help of this tool, or you can import a image background from gallery. It's upon you. I prefer using light colors in background, so I will use color option. I will choose color from here and select a light color. This is good for me. Now we will first import an image which we have cropped using PicsArt. Now this will be the option for importing the image. I will click on it and use this import option. Now we have cropped this image. We will resize it in our frame. So this is looking good. Now we will edit, enter some text. We will use this plus icon on the top menu to enter the text. Select text from the drop down menu. Now resize it. To edit the text, we will need to select the text and use this A button in the bottom right. Now to edit, we use edit tool here. We'll enter our text HD. Click OK. I want this in a single line. I will use it here. we will change the size and font. First let's change the color for the text. We will use eye-catching colors. Now selecting few keywords to is the main key here, so that you get more views on your videos. Now let's change the font. We will use Blogger Sans Bold. See, this is looking good. Add some background. This is pretty. Now let's add some more text using same plus icon on the top menu. Select text. Here it is. Resize it. Edit the text. Let's say on mobile. Let's change the color and font. Select the same font, Blogger Sans Bold, and color. Let's select some good color, eye-catching color. This is good. Add some background. Okay, this is looking good. Now we will add some stroke to our image. Select the image, click on the image, and again come to this icon here and scroll down. You will see a stroke option to get a perfect outline of your image. Now click on this stroke, enable it, and select a color of stroke you want to use. I prefer using white color. Let's increase the width. Okay, now we will add one more text line using the same plus button from here. Text, drop it here, increase the size. Let's add it in the same way. Type easy this one. Select your keywords that summarize your video. I will choose the color for this also. Some good combination color I want for this. Let's edit, select it from here. Okay, let's use green color. Now font same, Blogger Sans Bold. Let's make it bolder. Use some background. Select. Now I want to import some more PNG to look good and create an impact. I will again select this option to import some PNGs. For example, I want to use a mobile and a YouTube logo. Here it is. Now resize it. I will adjust this logo into our frame. Now we will edit this. We will add some stroke to it with some shadow, inner shadow also. And this is looking good. Easy and simple. I will add one more image. Same process. We'll click on this and import. I will use a mobile phone image to represent a mobile phone keyword. Now I will use resize this and adjust it here. We will add some outline, stroke, inner shadow, outer shadow. This is looking good. Now just click on this save icon here to save the image. Save as image. Click on it. Change the image format from here. As you can see, this is format line. Click on it, change it to PNG and save to gallery. Our thumbnail has been saved to our gallery. You can use this thumbnail to represent your videos. Thank you guys for watching. Do subscribe and share for upcoming videos. Thanks.